Ayun ah. Ayan sila. I am in the Philippines and these are our menu. We are having dinner here at the restaurant. Fried chicken and prawns with vegetables and beef with broccoli. Good appetite guys, good appetite. Ba't nawala ako dito? Soup, hot soup with prawns